Anuloma Viloma, holding the index and middle finger in the base of your thumb, right thumb to the right nostril, inhaling left nostril, inhaling for 3 to 4 seconds, holding both nostrils with the thumb and the ring finger, hold 12 to 16 seconds, back straight. After 12 to 16 seconds, exhale right nostril. Exhale for 6 to 8 seconds. Tadasana. Standing on your feet, feet together, back straight, chin parallel, arms relaxed. Hands on your knees, knees together, rotating knees 10 times, rotating hips 10 times, circling your head 10 times each way, circling around the neck. Palms flat, step back into push-up position, back straight, feet together, breathe in. Breathing out, come down. Relax onto the floor, palms are roughly by your chest. Breathe in, cobra. Shoulders relaxed, elbows in, toes together, heels together, tense your buttocks. Flip your toes, breathe out, breathing out, breathe out into downward dog. Palms flat, toes together, heels together, knees straight. Breathing in, step up with your left foot. Step up between your two hands, palms together. Breathing in, reach up. Elbows extended. Wrap your left leg around your right leg. Left foot around the calf. Palms together. Come up onto your toes and balance, slowly rotating the toes away from the hands. Breathing out, open your arms parallel to the floor. Breathing into your nose and out your nose, looking to your left through your left hand or to the tip of your left finger. Posting your hands by your head. Breathing in, lifting your hips up. Posting your head on the floor, breathing out, breathing in, extending. Extending your elbows, coming up. Knees into your chest. Left ear post to the outside of the right knee. Hugging your knees, posting your left ear to the outside of the right knee. Both knees to your left. Quads are perpendicular to the body. Post your left hand on top of your right knee, right arm perpendicular to the body, looking to the right. Breathing in, arch. Breathing out, relax forward, posting your elbows to the floor. Palms flat on the floor. Breathing in, arch. Breathing out. Walk your hands forward. Relax your forehead to the floor. Breathing in, breathing out. Wrap your arms back, under the knees, towards the feet. Breathing in, arch, look up. Breathing out, relax forward. Relaxing over your knees, over your shins, holding behind your feet. Relax in the dead leaf. Close your eyes. Keep breathing into your nose and out your nose. Pay attention to your back. If your back feels any discomforts, then bring your knees into your chest and relax. Keep breathing into your nose and out your nose. In your mind, begin to visualize. Begin to visualize the events of the day as you have lived it before this lesson. Let the images pass by. Let the thoughts pass by.